No lele and no scooter this morning, so I'm gonna try one of those scooter taxi thing. 哎，你好。
5块钱。
多少钱
？15块钱。
15啊，不要。
10块。正常价嘛10块钱。
8块。
没有那个，10块钱最低的那个。
好的。I was finally able to get it for 10 kwai. It was hard to get it lower than that, having the camera pointing at him like that. 可以吗？
可以 ，OK， 漂亮得很啊！哇，是微型摄像机啊！
With the wind, it's pretty cold and humid, and I forgot my jacket at my friend's place, so I have to wear 3 hoodies. Whoa, finally in the subway. It was only 3 kilometers, but it felt forever. It was so cold. My hands are still frozen. Now I'm going to Mumianwen station, which is one station before Buji, where I visited the other apartments. I'm supposed to meet the agent who showed me the tiny apartment, the tiny 2-bedroom apartment that was quite nice. She's gonna show me one apartment there, and then I'm gonna head to Buji to meet another agent who's supposed to show me another apartment. So at least 2 apartments today. Hopefully one of those 2 will be the right one. My stuff is shipped from Shanghai and will arrive soon. So I want to find an apartment before they arrive so they can just deliver it directly to the apartment.
We arrive at Mumianwen Station. Please mind the gap between the train and platform.
The agent should be around here. There she is. I apologize if the audio is a little bit crappy from here on. I'm gonna have to use my phone and translate back and forth with the agent because she doesn't speak a word of English and my Mandarin is very limited. So yeah, audio might be a bit crappy from here on, but I'll do my best. This seems to be like a really nice and peaceful compound, and it's clean. And it's right next to the metro station, so far so good. 24th floor. This is the living room. It's pretty big. Fridge. Little dining area. Got a nice little balcony. This right here is not a very good sign. It's a construction site and all the materials are here. So it's very likely that I'm gonna be dealing with a lot of noise and dust. But the view is pretty nice. The mountain's right there. Let's check the kitchen out. Not bad. There's a second fridge here. A little bit dirty, but it doesn't look so bad. Just needs a good clean. What is this? Oh, dishwasher. Let's see if we find some little friends. Little crawling friends. I can't see any live bugs, but there are some dead ones, so yeah. But apparently bugs are almost inevitable in China and even more in Guangdong in the south of China. But so far it's nice. So I looked around. It seemed like a really nice place. Like besides the construction site right down there. Everything else is pretty nice, pretty neat, just need a little clean. But she told me on WeChat there was 3,200, and then I arrive here, I look it up, start to like it, and then I'm told that it's actually 4,200. So I guess I started liking an apartment that I can't really afford for now, and that's the agent trick, I guess. All right, let's go. Agents really have their way around here. They pull weird tricks. I don't know if it works with with Chinese people, but I don't know how they would expect this kind of trick to work. You know, like bringing someone to visit an apartment that's 1,000 yuan more expensive than what they said they wanted to pay, and hoping that because the apartment is nice, they would change their mind, or what, their budget would suddenly inflate, they would have more money. I don't know. It's kind of weird. It's a waste of my time and her time too, so I really don't understand how this works. Alright, so apparently she wants to show me another one. I don't really trust the situation anymore, but I'm already here, so I might as well. Alright, so first this is the kitchen. It's nasty because it's dirty, but I guess I could clean it up. Okay, so there's like a cockroach trap there. Alright. Oh, this is the living room with the luxury TV in it. So this is the small bedroom. Still fairly large. With a balcony. And let's go see the bathroom. It's one of those showers on top of the toilet bowl. It doesn't seem too bad. And the master bedroom. Okay. Seems like the walls are falling apart or something. They're falling apart everywhere. Oh, shit. This last apartment was not very nice. It was like falling apart, really dirty. The furniture was all messed up. I think I'd rather pay the same price and get the smaller place than have a big nasty place. I don't know if it was part of the trick to make me want to rent a more expensive one. I have no idea. But anyways, neither will do. One is too expensive, the other one is too crappy. So I'll go meet the other agent and see what happens. Alright, back on the subway for one station, and I'll go meet the other agent. Alright. 水果？哦，我不要。要嘛？不要。你跟谁说话？ Alright, so I got this little curious lady here. For some reason, she's curious about what I'm doing, and she's trying to get me to buy some fruits. But I don't want fruits right now, maybe later. So right now I'm in Buji. I'm waiting for an agent to come and meet me. I'm gonna go see my third apartment today. And I think after this apartment, I think it'll be up to me to make up my mind and choose one of those, because so far I've seen about 10 apartments. This will be 11 or 12, I think. And based on what I've seen so far, it seems really hard for me to find an apartment in this area on my own without relying on an agent. And agents seem to all show me something within the same price range. Maybe it's a little bit more expensive and a little bit bigger, or a little bit more expensive and a little bit nicer, or it's really crappy and it's close to what I can pay. So I don't know. So far it's not that easy, but I kind of knew it. It's part of the deal. I'll find something. So I got two agents now. I'm gonna head to this apartment and see what it's all about. We're going back to the same building I've already visited 2 apartments in, but she says it's very good. Very good?
对，等一会儿。
So this one is on the 18th floor. Here in China, when you buy an apartment, you buy it with no separation, no interior. You just buy like a space. Some will have nice floors, some others will have had their apartment kind of built with cheap materials. Like the building is not an indication of quality as it would be in the West, where most of the time there's like a similar standard for the whole building. And you you just buy something that's already ready to move in. Even on the same floor of the same building, you'll find apartments that are completely different.
Please.
All right. Oh, let's check out this one. Oh, it's nice. All right, so we got the living room. Oh, they removed the TV that was on the picture. It seems like a nice place. There's this little extra room. I don't know what it's supposed to be, but I guess it's good to store stuff and hang my clothes or something. I don't know. Maybe some other apartments keep it as a balcony, and here they just decided to close it and make it a room. This is a bedroom. The bed is really big for the room. I can barely walk between the bed and the wall. But it's alright if it's just to sleep. Oh, there's a lot of storage there. That's good. And this is the view. Oh, that's pretty cool.
刚好没有床。
And then this is the small bedroom.
No bed. No, you can walk in here.
Yeah, that's good. Okay, got a little dining area here. This is the kitchen. Let's take a look inside. It's always interesting. There's a couple of dead little friends. Oh, there's a little balcony, it seems, attached to the kitchen. Okay, I guess this is where the washing machine is supposed to be. In this little balcony. Oh, and the fridge is here on the balcony. Okay. And then let's go check the bathroom. Hello. Shower's here. Tiny bedroom, but it's neat. I like the separate sink. No TV, no washing machine. But on the pictures I got, there's the TV.
Yeah. The picture before the room,
The tenant had the TV.
no before you have TV, but the TV is other people. So,
Right.
So now no TV and no washing machine. 3,500 yuan.
Okay.
And 3 air conditioner.
Okay. And do those air conditioner make hot air?
In the summer it's very hot, so you can use them. But now you can't use them.
No?
It's very cool. Yeah.
No, but I mean the air conditioning don't make hot air
I don't know, maybe
to warm up, you know?
not every air conditioner can make hot.
Air. Okay.
Yeah.
So what do I do if I'm cold?
You could wear some clothes.
Wear some clothes? Okay. Cool. The apartment is 3,500 and there's no TV and there's no washing machine. TV is a luxury, but washing machine is essential. Now, I would have to buy those things if I move here. So what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to negotiate with the landlord and see, well, I tell the agents to negotiate with the landlord, try and see if he is willing to lower to 3,300, and hopefully that kind of lower price will allow me to easily buy like a washing machine and potentially a TV. We'll see what the landlord says. Now apparently in Shenzhen the way it works is you pay your rent monthly and you pay a 2 months deposit that the landlord gives you back when you move out. When I was in Shanghai, I was paying my rent every 3 months, but I only had 1 month deposit. So I don't know, there's something about the 2 month deposit. Considering the situation I had with the last landlord, who's trying to suddenly create bills and things you remember and reasons to deduct money out of my deposit and give me back less money. It's kind of a hostage situation where the landlord holds a lot of money of mine and can not necessarily blackmail, but come up with a bunch of reasons for why he should deduct money out of my deposit. So I guess the bigger the deposit is, the heavier the hostage situation is. I don't know. I don't know what can come up, but the idea that this landlord will have almost 7,000 yuan of mine and hold it is not making me very comfortable. So I asked the agent to talk to the landlord, see if I can get the rent down to 3,300 and maybe have a 1 month deposit instead of 2. So far, I kind of like this place. It's not perfect, but location is good, and it's big. It's not quite new, but I think it has a lot of potential. If I clean it well and I decorate it a bit, I think I can make it nice. Since I'm considering this apartment a little bit more seriously than most of the others, let's do the shower pressure test. The water pressure is good, that's a good sign. I hate weak showers. Alright, so the agents tried to reach the landlord, but he was busy, so they're gonna get back to me on whether he agrees on my price and my conditions or whatever, and maybe we're gonna negotiate or something. If he's willing to go for 3,400, I'll accept. Even, well, let's not say it now, but even at the current price, probably. But so now the agent agreed to show me around a little bit. I want to know how convenient this area is. It seems like there's a lot of small restaurants and small shops, but I want to be able to do my grocery and cook at home, so I want to see what's around. The green building here would be the building I live in, and this is a supermarket, but it's not very big according to the two agents. There's a bigger one further away. Already this supermarket is only like 2 minutes away from home. They say it's not very big, but it looks big to me. It looks big to me. I bet I can pretty much find most of what I need, but I'm curious to know what is the big supermarket like. Here's a little meat market. So we just walked 2 or 3 minutes more, and apparently we arrived at the building where the big supermarket is. Apparently the big supermarket is a Walmart. I guess that can be very useful to have a Walmart nearby to buy stuff for the house, accessories, food, whatever. Walmart's right there. Okay. So it seems like there's pretty much everything around here. That's cool. All right, I'm done with apartment hunting for today. I saw 3 apartments, and the last one was quite interesting. We'll see what the landlord says, and according to his answer to my negotiation, we'll see what I do. There are 2 interesting potential options there. I doubt I'll be able to find much better than what I've seen so far within my budget and in the area I'm looking at. So I'm gonna look at my footage, think about it, and probably make up my mind. It's not 100% sure yet, so this is a mystery ending. Maybe there'll be another apartment hunting episode, maybe not. Mystery ending. You like that? I'll catch you later.